my friends! Today I'm gonna tell you something about PWM. No, these are not PWM. PWM is a digital pulse technique for controlling digital signals. And we're gonna use it for controlling brightness of an LED. And we're gonna write a simple code in platformIO for Arduino framework and NodeMCU development board. And after that, we're gonna show PWM waveform on the oscilloscope over there. And let's go for it right now! PWM is a digital pulse technique and one of its applications is controlling brightness of LED. You can see in here how we change duty cycle by on time and off time on a digital pin, and amount of on time on a period define our duty cycle. When we increase duty cycle, we have more brightness and vice versa. The frequency remains constant. First of all, we define pin number 2 as output to see result of PWM on built-in LED of module. Now we write a for loop to increase PWM on time from 0 to 255 with 2 millisecond delay. So it takes about half a second to fully brightness of LED. We use analog write function with two arguments, pin number and value of PWM from 0 to 255 by default. And after writing this loop, we copy this loop and decrease brightness to 0 again with same delay. So it takes about 1 second for two loops to run completely. After writing all of the code, we program and we wait for programming. Here you can see LED fade in and fade out in half a second. For better understanding, we connect pin number 2 to oscilloscope and watch the waveform. You can see PWM increasing from 0 to 255 and decrease from 255 to 0 with default frequency of 1 kHz. Easy, tamam. If it is useful for you, like my video, subscribe my channel, and if you have any recommendation or question, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.